Hi, my name is Sam Shames, co-founder and COO of Embr Labs, and I'm here to talk about our company and the work we're doing to help people harness the power of temperature. At Embr Labs, we are the first thermal wellness technology company pioneering a new pathway to the brain using temperature. Our first product is Embr Wave, an intelligent wristband that helps you feel colder or warmer by 5 degrees. Our technology delivers a safe, non-invasive, and natural therapy that helps leverage the body's and mind natural response to temperature. With the push of a button, you can start either cooling or warming the skin on the inside of your region, on the skin on the inside of your wrist, and to date, we've sold over 60,000 Embr Waves. How our technology works is by delivering thermal waveforms to stimulate the thermoreceptor nerves on your skin. What that means is we deliver sensations of warmth or cold, not in a constant level, but that vary with time. And that this stimulation activates the nerve endings on your skin that sense temperature, which in turn activates a complex network of regions in the brain that help balance the autonomic nervous system. In addition, this temperature stimulation also directly stimulates oxytocin production. So it's really about using cold and warm sensations as a way to help hack the brain. We've actually at this point now sold over 60,000 devices to customers in 140 countries. And the feedback from this, what is really a minimum viable product, has been just remarkable. The biggest customer segment that's emerged from our sales are a group we call primetime women. Women 45 to 65 who typically run cold all their lives until they start experiencing symptoms of menopause, like hot flashes, sleep, thermal discomfort, and anxiety. And Embr Wave has been helpful for all of these and more. Beyond the hardware itself, the product also has a companion mobile app that helps drive engagement and for customers also lets them really personalize the experience. So you can see on the screenshots that the mobile app lets you select how cold or warm the product gets. You can also choose between different waveforms that have durations anywhere from 1 minute to 60 minutes, and that's also something you can customize. With the mobile app, the company is able to generate really rich real-world data about the thermal behaviors of primetime women. And actually, to date, our customers have now logged closer to 5 million sessions. Beyond primetime women, we've also seen significant traction with other therapeutic areas, including cancer treatment side effects like hot flashes, multiple sclerosis, Raynaud's, and anxiety. And we're in early conversations with pharmaceutical companies as part of their interest in digital therapeutics. We like to think of ourselves in some ways as a thermal therapeutics company. And of course, we've invested very heavily in IP. So on the left, you can see a schematic of what these waveforms look like, how it's a periodic temperature profile, and that is patented and protected by a utility patent. With this IP and the additional patents we have pending and will file, we're really able to own waveforms as a way of delivering temperature. And that turns out to be the optimal way to stimulate those thermoreceptor nerves, and also the only way you can actually make temperature wearable, because it enables a small enough form factor and a long enough battery life. Of course, scientific validation is really essential, and it's something we've invested in from the beginning. We've been fortunate enough to get a grant from the National Science Foundation to do research at UC Berkeley, where we independently showed that Embr Wave helps people feel more than about 5 degrees more comfortable in just 3 minutes. Dr. Hui Zhang, a world's expert in local heating and cooling and its effects on the body, and who led the research, said that Embr Wave surprised her team's researchers with the effect it had. They did not expect a device this small to have an effect this large. In addition, we did a sleep study funded by Johnson & Johnson, where we were able to show and publish in behavioral sleep medicine that Embr Wave helps people dealing with menopausal symptoms at night improve the quality of their sleep across a number of peer-reviewed metrics. What we're excited about in 2020 and 2021 are a number of things. One, continuing to boost user engagement and capture more real-world evidence via new software features for Embr Wave. Two examples of this are goal tracking that we launched in Q1 and hot flash mode that we launched in Q2. We're also doing validation studies with the Mayo Clinic and Brigham and Women's as we look to continue to build out peer-reviewed real-world evidence. And then finally, we're working on a second-generation consumer product, an early rendering of which you can see on the right. This product will be smaller, it'll be colder, and it'll help grow our consumer business from the $10 million range we are today to $100 million by the end of 2023. And actually another project we have going is a custom device for a global tobacco company that is a completely new embodiment of our technology. The team, beyond myself, consists of our CEO, Elizabeth Gazda, my two co-founders, Matt and David, both of whom have their PhDs from MIT, and a full-rounded management team, including Heather Ritchie, who runs product and brings about 15 years of experience in healthcare, Ben Flamenhoff, who runs engineering and manufacturing and has 2 decades of experience in electromechanical devices, Jake Abrams on the marketing side, who's been responsible for all of our consumer revenue to date, and Chaz Douglas, our CFO, helping keep our books straight. We've also been fortunate to attract really top-tier partners, including investors like Intel and Bose, Digitex Partners, who led our Series B, and Safar Partners, a deep tech investor in Boston. We've done paid projects with both Johnson & Johnson and Bose, and we're building out our network of research collaborators to include the Mayo Clinic, Brigham and Women, UC Berkeley, and we've had a great track record receiving non-dilutive capital in the form of National Science Foundation grants. Our mission is to develop the technology to bring thermal wellness to the world, and we're interested in meeting investors now who want to participate in our Series C in 2021. Thank you.